All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So this is a speaker I got in right here for review, and it's actually a pretty decent speaker, man. It's a 25-watt speaker. As you can see, they've got the information down here on the bottom. So it's a pretty decent speaker, I can't lie. It's got bass, but not the kind of bass that I'm used to after listening to things like this Sony and my Braven, but it's still a solid speaker. This is one that I would actually hang in the bathroom or just put it somewhere. It's got a built-in mic for phone calls. You can put it in the shower. That's why I said you can hang it right here. It does have Bluetooth 4.2 with dual drivers. So they said it'll offer up to 24 hours of playback, or battery life, I should say. And that's pretty good because there's a 2,000 milliamp hour battery inside. So this thing must be able to handle resources very well. So you do have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which you can see here. I got the cable for it. And this is the charging cable that comes in the box as well. So pretty simple speaker. This is going to run you about $69 though. So there are plenty of other options out there that you might think will be better or come close. So this is a solid speaker. And this has got to be one of those that you just kind of hear in person. But it is $69 on Amazon. So I have a link in the description. And be sure to check it out if you want to.